Hello everyone, my name is Maulik Garg and I wanted to share with you some coding problems using Python. So first thing I wanted to discuss with you is HCF. So first, HCF is the highest common factor of two numbers. HCF is the highest common factor of two numbers. So how we take out HCF is that first we will take two numbers like 8 and 12 and the smaller number out of them will be the divisor and the larger number will be our dividend. And then we have to take out the remainder. 8 goes at 12 one time and when we subtract them we will get 4. So after that 4 is our divisor and the previous divisor that we have taken will be our dividend now. And now 4 will go at 8 two times and we will get our remainder 0. We have to repeat this till we get our remainder as 0. The current divisor will be our HCF. Now let's code it. First, we will take a function of HCF and we will take two parameters A and B. Then we will take out the greater number. Then we will write a code for taking out the greater number and the greater number will be our dividend. So if A is greater than B, then our dividend will be A and divisor will be B. Divisor will be B. Else our dividend will be B and divisor will be A. Now, after this, we will take out the remainder for them and we will use percent sign to take out the modulo. Then we will use a while loop to check that remainder is not equal to 0. We will repeat this loop till our remainder is not equal to 0. Now, first we will set our dividend as our previous divisor and our current divisor should be the before remainder. Now we have to take out the remainder again. So after this loop will be over, we have to return our divisor, that is our HCF. So let's run this program and see what happens. Now we will take one variable HCF and I will take HCF and run it. We will take same parameters 8 and 12 and then print HCF. Now let's run it. We are getting 4 and here we are also getting 4 only. So it means our HCF is working. I hope this program is clear We could have also done this using recursion. So let's write a program for recursion. I will name this function as HCF1 and we want two parameters only. If b is equal to 0, we will take a condition for it and then return a. So this is going to be a base case. Now, if this condition is not satisfied, then we have to return HCF1 of b comma a modulo b. Now let's run this program. Now let's take a variable HCF new and store the value of HCF. That is 8 and 12 we have taken before. And then print HCF new. HCF new. Now when we will run, we are getting 4 only. I hope both the methods for computing the HCF is clear. Now after the HCF, let's try to find the LCM of two numbers. So for taking the LCM of two numbers, we use a comma b of LCM should be a into b upon HCF of a and b. A comma b. A comma b. We have taken out the function of HCF. Now we have to multiply it and after that we have to divide with the HCF. So let's take two examples like 15 and 20. Now first we will multiply them, that is 300, and their HCF should be 5. Now 300 divided by 5 is 60. So the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Now let's write the program. We will take a function called LCM a comma b. We will take two parameters a comma b and then first we have to multiply them and divide them by HCF of a comma b. And we will store this in a variable called LCM, or we can also simply write return. Okay, now let's run this program and save it in our file. And now we will run it LCM 15 and 20, which we have taken before also, and we will take a variable called LCM and then print it. So we have got an error here. So let's see why we have got an error. So I have got the mistake that here we have to write the capital HCF because we have given the name of the function in capital. So let us write it. HCF and then run, and we are getting 60. Here also we are getting 60 only. So it means our LCM method is right. So I hope this method is clear. Now let's extend the problem for finding the LCM of list of numbers. So I have took 4 numbers, 2, 5, 8 and 10. First we will take out the LCM of 2 and 5 and store it in a variable, and after that we will take out the LCM of that variable and the next number, that is 8 in our case. And then we will get LCM of 2 and 5 as 10. So our variable will be set as 10, and after that when we will take out the LCM of 10 and 8, we will get 40, and we will store this value also in that variable and update it. And now we will take out the LCM of 40 and 10, that is 40 only. Okay, so our LCM would be 40. Now let's code it. Now let's take a list 2, 5, 8 and 10. After that we will take LCM new a variable and assign a value of 2, that is a of 0. Then we will take a for loop for I in range 1, length of a. After that we will update LCM new with LCM new that was before multiplied by a of I upon HCF of LCM new, a of I. Now when we print LCM new at the end, so we have got an error. Function object is not subscriptable. So obviously we have not put the correct brackets to call the program. So we are getting 40, that is our correct LCM, and it means our code is correct. So I hope everything is clear. Thank you.